guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Eloise Gemma, and if you want a lot of more videos like this, click there to subscribe and like this video. So today, there's nothing special. Mag-unbox lang tayo ng freebies from Redmi Shop, which is a brand of cellphone. Pumunta po kasi kami kahapon sa SM Bacoor, then we buy a cellphone in Redmi Shop, and my uncle there gives us a freebies. Yun lang. Nothing more special. Let's get started. So here's the box! It was so big. If you didn't see it, it's big. Let's get started! Okay, so alcohol, syempre. Support nyo ako guys. I'm just a small content creator. Basta yan. Keep it more sanitized kasi kung sino na yata ang humawak nito. Thank you guys. So, kukunin ko lang yung itong yan. So, let's open it. And we fix the camera first. Here's it. Here's it. Oh. There. Very good. Oh guys. Oh my god. Wow! Oh my god, freebies lang to. Oh my god. Awesome. Very right. So, yeah. Let's open it one by one. So, there's Bluetooth speaker, mobile phone stand. Oh my god, I can use this for vlogging like this. Oh, what's this? Airbag bracket. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Never mind, I'm just being OA. So, let's open it one by one. Let's start with the speaker. Yeah. Let's start with this. There's no tape in it na. Bakit? Yeah. Open it. Wow! Oh, wait. May mini box pa siya. What was this? Ay, sorry. And so, tingnan natin. Oh, yeah! Charger, malamang. Oh, it's Type-C. Share ko lang. What's this? Oh, a handle. You can put a handle in it. Wow. I can't believe it. Certification. Wait. Okay. That's all it. Oh my god, wait lang. I need to get this. Wow! Ang cute nung color niya! Oh my god! Wait, let's turn it on. Ito ba? Ito on. Oh my god! Hala, sorry, nabigla ako. Ano yun? Wait lang. Try ko siyang ilagay nito. Ayaw niya ma-shoot. Wait lang. My hair is getting in the way. Uy, nasa na? Ayaw ma-shoot. Wait lang. Oh my god, guys. So, nalagay ko na siya. Look at that. So, next, agad. Ay, babalik ko to. Wait lang. Okay, guys. Next na. Yan. Siyempre ito. Oh, 3 pala yung laman. Okay. 3 lang pala. Lang. Okay. Let's get started. Nawakan ko kasi yung ano eh. Sorry na. Open natin to. Ito, open na. Ito, itong part na to. Ay. Yan. Perfect. My God. The video was so haba na. Oh, it's just some instructions. Wait lang. Phone stand. Wow! Sobrang Oh, I can use this for my vlogging. Yeah. Just keep supporting me. Ow! Yan, wow! I like it. Wait, does it fit to my phone? Yan, guys, sa sobrang kalikutan ng kamay ko at nilipat ko pa tong cellphone dito is na-post yung video. So, another video na naman to, separate video kasi nga na-i-post ko. Okay na to. Yan. So, anyways, may logo siya dito ng Redmi and then embrace your smart life. Tapos, joke lang. May isa pa. Wait for me. Tatabi ko lang to, okay? Okay, next na. Oops, tama din natin siya. Ito na, yung airbag bracket. Di ko alam yan, pero sige, unbox na rin natin. Yeah, let's open it. Oh my God. Wait lang, ba't ayaw? There. Ano ba? Yun, yan. Open it. Kanina pa ako curious dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung airbag bracket. Ano to? Certificate. Ay. Ano to? Oh, what's this? A sticker? What's this? Oh, yeah, I understand. It becomes to the back of the phone like this. Oh, yeah, it's pretty kasi parang clear yung ano niya. I like it. Actually, I liked it. Pero di ko alam kung when ko to ilalagay sa back ng phone ko cause look. Sorry guys, dahil sa kalikutan ng aking kamay, na-post po ulit ang video. Yan. So, ito pala, pop socket pala ang tawag dito, pero airbag bracket, pinapahirapan ako eh. Pinag-overthink nila ako. Okay. Sige, ibabalik ko ng to, then mag-outro na ako. I'm back, everybody. So, thank you for watching this video, and then hopefully you still continue watching all of my videos sa susunod. Then maybe hindi mo na ako makapag-upload this week, pero I'll try to upload para lang mapanood nyo ako. Please support me, guys. Then click there to subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification bell. Then comment nyo kung ano pa yung gusto nyo ipagawa sa akin. Then mag-comment kayo kung gusto nyo magpa-fake order. Yes! Magpapa-fake order ako, guys. So, bye-bye! Thank you for watching!